Hey guys, it's Sherry. I hope you're having a great day. Well, we are about to do something awesome. Y'all stay tuned. So sometimes the simplest projects can turn out to be some of the sweetest and most cutest. And that is exactly what I have here today. So I wanted to make something that was a little bit more rustic. And what I have here is this cute little corrugated gift bag. So I've got the corrugated paper all the way around. I've got this rustic wiring that I have twisted and turned to create these cute little handles. And then I added some really cute flowers from Frank Garcia. And I love how this has turned out. So this one I made using the Thanksgiving collection by Frank Garcia. And it says "Thankful for This Life" at the top. The bag that I'm going to make today is going to be a Christmas theme bag. So I wanted to make one of each, but guys, you have to look at this and you can just see how absolutely adorable this bag really is. And it's so easy to make, and I'm going to show you how we do it. So we are going to start with a 12 by 6 inch piece of paper, and we will be using my crimping tool. This is a paper crimper, so if you don't have one, you can place it in your scoreboard, as some people have said, and score every 1/8 of an inch, or you can just make the bag without crimping it. But I will be using my paper crimper, and what I'm going to do is place this in the crimper, and I'm not going to be too concerned about whether or not my lines are straight or not. So to get my deep impressions, I just go over it section by section a couple of times. I'll go forward and then I'll go backwards. All right, and then what you have is this gorgeous crimped paper. It is just so pretty and so easy to work with. So the next thing I'll need to do is bring in my scoreboard. So I'll place this in my scoreboard, and on the 12-inch side, I am going to score this at 5. And because you've got these crimp lines, you've got to make sure you can see your own score marks. So I'm scoring at 5 and at 7. And then I'll take it out, and I am just going to fold on my score marks, just like this. And I'll come back with my bone folder and give it a very light burnishing, because I don't want to burnish out my crimp marks. And this is the body of our bag. So we're going to place our sides in. And to place our sides, we are going to need 2 pieces that measure 3 by 6. And I've already done one. And I'll bring my scoreboard back to do the second one with you guys. So let's place it in the scoreboard on the 3-inch side, and we're going to score this at 1/2 inch, at 1 1/2, and at 2 1/2. And then we're going to turn it on the 6-inch side, and we're going to score this at 1/2 inch and at 5. And then we will fold and burnish the score marks. Okay, so now that we've got it folded and burnished, we will have 2 small corners down at the narrow end, and we are going to remove those corners. Just snip them out. So cut up to the score line but not through it, and remove your corner. And then where we have this taller flap here, we're going to glue that down. So I am using my reptile glue, and I'll get that stuck down. Come back with my paper towel, because I want my glue to smear out the side, because then I know I've got good coverage. You may not want to do it that way, but for me, that's how I like it. And now we're ready to put the bag together. So We're going to put this bag together in the same way that we have been putting our paper purses together. So I'm going to come back with my hot glue, and I'm going to place hot glue right here, and then I'll glue that right there in between my score marks. So I'm going to place my glue just like that, and then I'll take this and I am going to get this positioned right inside of the score marks, just like this. And then I'll do it on the other side. So take my glue, put this down in between my score marks, make sure it's nice and straight, and then I will pat it down to get my glue nice and stuck. And now we can put our bag together. So all I'm going to do is run glue along this tab here, bring this up just like this, and then I'll come over to this side and do the same thing. And I'll come back on the inside and get my glue nice and stuck. And now I have that cake box look, and I am going to take my glue, run it there. I'm sure you guys hear my air conditioner in the background. If I didn't have the air conditioner going today, I would probably pass out here. It's so hot. And then I will take glue and do this side as well. And I'll come back on the inside and get everything nice and stuck. Okay, so we have got the start of a gorgeous, gorgeous bag. Now what I'm going to do is I want to place 2 toppers on this bag. So I have 2 pieces that measure 6 by 2, and I have folded it in half. And I am going to just glue this down. Quick and easy project. So I'll take this topper, place it right there, lay this down, and I'll come in with my bone folder and get everything nice and stuck. And this topper really helps to add some stabilization so that when I put the handle on it, because I'm not backing this bag with chipboard, when I put the handle on it, it'll be nice and sturdy because I've got this topper here. And there, guys, we've got our nice rustic bag. So now it is time to add handles and to decorate. So I am going to bring in my Crocodile Big Bite so that I can get my handles punched. And I am going to use my 1/8 hole for this. And I am just eyeballing where I punch my holes. No measuring. And then I'm going to turn it over and try to replicate where I put these holes. Okay, so in order to get this look, what I'm using is floral wire, and I got the wire from Hobby Lobby and I trimmed it down. So I'm working with a 14-inch piece, and I trimmed it so that I could fit it inside and have the length that I like. You can find this wire at any store that sells floral supplies. So what I did with my wire is, I'll do it with this one with you guys. All I did was start it in the middle, and then I just started twisting it until it had a misshapen look. And the look just depends on what you like. And even when I put this handle on, I'm going to go back and tweak it just a little bit. So I'm going to show you how I put the handle in. I've got my holes punched. I run it through, bringing about this much up, and then I bring the front up, and I'll take this little piece here, twist it around, and tuck it down inside. So it'll end up looking like that. Let's do it again. So I'll take this piece, put it through the hole, take the piece that I have put through the hole, this piece, bring it up like this, and then I'll wrap it around like that, and then I'll wrap it around and hide it on the inside, just like that. And there I've got a cute little handle for a cute little bag. So you can see just how cute and rustic your look becomes. And I love this. This is exactly what I wanted. So now I'm going to decorate this wonderfully rustic bag, and I'm going to decorate it for Christmas. All right, so I'm going to decorate this bag using some of my little candy cane stickers because I think they just scream Christmas. And I'm going to layer it just like that. And I want one to be raised higher than the other one. And then I'm going to come back and I'm going to place some flowers around my candy canes because I think that'll just add some cuteness. Put one up there, just like that. And then I'll put one right down here. And I think that that just dresses that bag up really, really nice. But I want to finish off the top using one of my Frank Garcia chipboard stickers, and I'm going to go with the one that says Peace and Joy, Love, Christmas. And I will use just a little bit of glue to make sure that this stays stuck down. So I'm going to add some glue to the back. Just a thin strip. And then I'm going to place this right up here in the middle. Get it nice and stuck. And just like that, we have a really cute rustic little Christmas bag. It is just so cute. Let me bring in the one that I made for Thanksgiving, and you can see how cute these really are. They are just absolutely adorable. Hopefully you guys can see these cute little handles on here because I really do think they help to make the bag and they add to that rustic look. And you've got the corrugated paper. So I wanted to show you guys another way that we can use our crimper to turn regular flat paper into corrugated paper for making bags. So I hope that you guys have liked this project. If you have, please hit the like button. If you are not a subscriber to my channel, I would love to have you join my online crafting family. Y'all have a great day, happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.